Okay, a car start from rest and accelerate uniformly at 2 meter per second square for the 5 seconds. So find the final velocity of the car. So how to find the question like that? So for that, the car move. If it move, it's from the first to the second position. So it's moved from the rest. It means that it moves from the rest and accelerate uniformly. It means that the velocity initial, let's use the velocity initial is equal 0 because it is at rest. So when the body is at rest, there is no movement. So also the acceleration is called accelerate 2 meter per second square. So we have also time which is equal 5 seconds. So when the car moving with the different velocity, there is acceleration. So, but when the car is at rest, the velocity is equal to 0. It means that according to this equation, the body moves from rest and move at a certain distance by using a certain velocity. The question is that find the velocity is equal what, or the final velocity is equal what. So how to find the final velocity? So acceleration is what? Is the velocity final minus velocity initial over time. So this is the formula of acceleration. According to this, acceleration times t is equal velocity final minus velocity initial. So according to our question, acceleration times time, acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square times 5 seconds is equal velocity final minus 0. So then velocity final minus 0 is equal velocity final. So the velocity final is equal what? Is equal 2 times 5 is equal 10 meter second over second square. Second square is equal to second times second. Simplify this in that. D is equal 10 meter per second. So the unity of velocity, remember that, is meter per second. So according to this, then the final velocity is 10 meter per second. So this is the final velocity of that car. Thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe. If we have the question, write on the comment. We are together.